Hi, I'm back to describe another type of accident. This is the type of accident that happens when a car is entering a main road and hits a car on that main road, or enters the road and then gets hit from behind on that main road. This happens on the freeway sometimes when somebody is very aggressively and speedily coming on an on-ramp and the traffic on the freeway is a little slow and it ends up hitting one of those cars. Sometimes it happens when a car is coming out of a gas station or something slowly and the traffic on the main road is really booking and it'll hit that car. Sometimes two cars are entering the main road and they both have their eye on the fast cars that might be coming from that way, and they end up hitting each other because they're both trying to merge onto the same place very quickly. I heard another example of this where a car was trying to merge and there's two cars coming very quickly, but the view of their view of these cars is blocked. He can't see the yellow car at all, and when he merges, he ends up getting hit by that yellow car. And I think that's it. So again, this is a T-bone type accident that happens when one car is merging onto the main road, and I'm calling this accident type 8. If you had this kind of car accident, please describe it in the comments of this video. Thank you.
Just minding my own business, going down the road. This kid who was texting comes out of a driveway and just T-bones me right.
Oh, rough.
It's like,
Was your car destroyed?
right in front of a high school.
Yeah, it was my high school. We got total
And then like hundreds of kids come out to look. Oh, brutal.
Well, I kind of did him a favor. I kind of drove and said, let's go to a side street out of the way.
That's good.
Anyway.
This car passes him, and then he automatically pulls out and sees her, and he just
stops
brakes.
in the middle.
He just stops in the middle,
No.
and she can't go around because it's too late. So, you know,
I went like, it was more like that. And I have
she
pictures
tried
of
to
it if you
turn a
wanna see
bit,
it.
and she knocked his whole tire off, and his fender and bumper.
Bumped his tire.
Here,
Okay.
Taco Bell's here, gas station's here, and he pulls out of the driveway and I'm going 35.
Oh, I see.
And there's no way I'm gonna be able to stop.
Yeah, awesome. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, finally somebody understands. Have a good day, man.
80 East, right before the Bay Bridge.
Okay.
Just driving forward. This guy's coming off an on-ramp at 90 miles an hour. He comes, he strikes me at 90 miles an hour, dragging me across the thing, leaving me teed like this. So he kind of backs up and he tries to take off. He hits me again.
Backs up.
He backs up on the freeway, hits me again, and this way he continues to drag me.
I mean,
Everything stops for about 10 seconds, so I'm thinking about getting out of the vehicle. And then everything starts all over. So the car's stuck to his, and he drags me back and he hits me onto the
center.
on the other side. So I got dragged on the right side and then boom, ended up on this, and then the car was still stuck like that.
Shouldn't have been the one.
And yeah, that was the three impacts. Three impacts
on
in
the
one.
bridge? There we go. So, were you in this car? Or were you in this car? Okay. So, show me what happened. Did you get hurt? No. Oh, that's good. Was the car totaled? Oh, that's good. Perfect story. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.